And then when the temperature 4 degrees, we can press SCT for the final confirmation. Okay, now the temperature, the lowest temperature is 4 degrees. That it means the highest temperature is 8 degrees because the range, the highest and the lowest range is 4 degrees. So now let's check the lowest temperature if it is 4 degrees. Okay, let's check it. Press the SCT for 2 seconds. Okay, you will see there's 4 degrees. 4 degrees is lowest temperature. Then means we have successfully adjust the temperature from 2 to 6 degrees to be 4 to 8 degrees. Okay, then press the SCT confirm. Okay, then finish. The chiller and the freezer is the same method to adjust the temperature. Same way. Just press the SCT and see the lowest temperature. Then press the upper button or the down button to set the lowest temperature. Then press the SCT to be confirmed. Normally, there's no need to adjust the temperature by yourself because before packing the machine in our factory, we have already tested every machine and set every digital controller in our factory. If you found any mistake, you can call the professional technician to check the controller. Finally, and the most important thing, to remember to clean and wash the filter for every 30 days for a month. For the counter, the filter is in the motor room, and for the upright cabinet, the filter is in the upper motor room. Keep washing the filter for every month. It will make your product to be good performance.